Okay, hello, people. Hello, Nishita, are you there? We're live on Facebook.
Hello.
Okay, wonderful, Nishita. याद है अपन बचपन में एज चिल्ड्रन जब बहुत बकर बकर करते थे तो मम्मी पापा लोग कहते थे इसके मुंह पे गोदरेज का ताला लगा दो रे, है ना, एकदम वंस फॉर ऑल चुप बैठ जाएगा। या बहुत मस्ती करते थे, मेरे पापा कहते थे गोदरेज की तिजोरी में बंद कर दूंगा
एग्जैक्टली
तुझे,
और वो गोदरेज की तिजोरी जो 20 साल से किसी को छोड़नी नहीं है।
है ना। अरे बॉस, मैं बता रहा हूं, फ्रॉम द टाइम आई वॉज बॉर्न, जब से मैं पैदा हुआ हूं, मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स के बेडरूम में गोदरेज के 2 कबर्ड्स देखे। वही कबर्ड स्टील के, वही चाबी मॉम के पास अब भी है। तो मेरे को बचपन का सबसे बड़ा ट्रिप ये होता था कि इस चाबी से इस ताले को एक बार खोलूंगा मैं लाइफ में, है ना। सो
घर बदल गया, शहर बदल गया, कबर्ड नहीं बदला।
आय कसम यार, शहर बदला, कबर्ड नहीं बदला, ताला नहीं बदला, तिजोरी नहीं बदली। सो देयरफॉर गोदरेज लॉक्स बेसिकली सिनोनिमस विद होम सेफ्टी, होम सिक्योरिटी। आपका जो माली हाल है वो गोदरेज लॉक ऑलवेज बनाए रखेगा, करेक्ट है?
एब्सोल्युटली।
करेक्ट। अब बेसिकली पॉइंट ये है कि 15 नवंबर इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय गोदरेज लॉक्स एज नेशनल होम सेफ्टी डे, ठीक है। टू फर्दर दिस कॉज गोदरेज लॉक प्रेजेंट्स होम सेफ्टी वीक, जहां हमारे साथ होंगी वेरियस पर्सनालिटीज हु विल बी गिविंग अस देयर व्यूज ऑन होम सेफ्टी एंड हाउ इट्स बीइंग प्रायोरिटाइज्ड एटसेट्रा. Today we have with us Nishita Kamdar. Nishita, would you please introduce yourself and tell us why you're with us today?
Okay, thank you, Rajesh. So, hi guys, I'm Nishita Kamdar. I'm an architect and a product designer. I head my award winning design firm called Studio Nishita Kamdar and a partner at Pod. We are currently doing a lot of residential homes, villas, both in architectural as well as interior scope, primarily focusing on building just homes for people. And so I think I'm here with you all for somebody who's so focused on doing homes where security, which is the topic of today's discussion, is so crucial.
Okay, so Nishita, since we are speaking of home security, home safety, बराबर है, do you, तो देखो मुझे एक बचपन से लगता है कि या तो हम अपने घरों की सुरक्षा को लेकर या तो ओवर पैरानॉइड होते हैं, जैसे कि मैं 50 बार ताला चेक करूंगा, ऐसा खड़ 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 करूंगा, लैच को चेक करूंगा, रात को अंदर से ट्रिपल लॉक, मेरा गोदरेज का ही लैच है बाय द वे मेरे घर में भी, ठीक है। या तो बस निकल पड़े हैं खुली सड़क पे, अपना सीना ताने, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, है ना। डू यू बिलीव दैट एज अ सोसाइटी वी आर कॉग्निजेंट इनफ, understanding enough, knowledgeable enough about the security of our homes, and do we take it seriously enough?
So you very rightly put, I think the most important thing is what gives you the ultimate comfort and satisfaction, knowing that your loved ones are safe, the assets that you proudly acquire for yourself over time are safe, and knowing that you are safe to take care of the previous two things. So we as human beings, we tend to get very paranoid and overthink. मतलब हम लोग घर से निकलते हैं तो 10 बार सोचते हैं तो बच्चा घर पे है वो सेफ है कि नहीं। हम लोग रात को सोते हैं तो थोड़ा भी क्रीकिंग का आवाज आ जाए तो हम लोग उठ जाते हैं कि
अरे
क्या हुआ।
भाई साहब, मेरे को तो घर पे डांट पड़ती है, तुम क्या अमिताभ बच्चन हो, इंसोम्निया, मतलब हल्की सी आवाज, कौन है कौन है कौन है, करेक्ट करेक्ट है।
एग्जैक्टली। और या तो जो सेफ में आप अपने पैसे डाल रहे हो कि कॉन्स्टेंटली आपका ध्यान उधर है कि वो सेफ है कि नहीं। हम लोग 10 बार चेक करते हैं हफ्ते में कि किस तोड़ा नहीं है किसी ने। So all these things are very important when it comes to mental satisfaction, and safety has a lot to do with the mental satisfaction of a human being. So and that only comes with the reliability and reassurance of what is giving you that safety. So the product that is actually giving you the safety. So I feel like a lot of the notions that we have about safety are more to do with us, our mental being, our mental kind of reassurance of safety.
So would you say that home, to ensure कि आपका घर सुरक्षित है, is as important as having a well functioning and strong liver, for example?
Without a doubt, I think definitely. I think home safety is something that's really underrated and needs to be taken seriously, at least considering the times that we're living in right now. And I also believe that we're not very well informed. Our clients are not very well informed about that. And the awareness needs to be there.
That's what I wanted to hear from you. अब the times we are living in right now, जो आपने कहा ना, उस पर मैं थोड़ी देर में आऊंगा, लेकिन आपने कहा कि जो आपके clients हैं as a home designer, you're saying that आपको ये feel आ रही है कि your clients are not maybe aware enough or cognizant enough. तो सवाल ये उठता है, अब मैं थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ सिलेबस से पूछ रहा हूँ आपको, क्योंकि मुझे लिख के सवाल दिए गए, यही पूछना निष्ठा को, और कुछ मत पूछना, डांट पड़ जाएगी, देखो नौकरी खत्म हो जाएगी। तो मैं समझना ये चाह रहा हूं निष्ठा आपसे, व्हाई डू यू थिंक दैट एज अ सोसाइटी वी आर नॉट अवेयर इनफ ऑफ होम सिक्योरिटी? व्हाई इज इट नॉट प्रायोरिटाइज्ड? व्हाई इज इट नॉट टॉप ऑफ माइंड? भगवान भरोसे मतलब छोड़ देते हैं, या क्या है फंडा?
You will still be very surprised. We still come from a time when we trust our good old watchman screaming "Jagte raho," and like everybody thinks they are, safe. Or that compound ka wo gali ka, dog who's going to bark if they see an unknown stranger, and we will trust that dog. In a lot of places we still live in that time. The awareness definitely, and being such an important kind of personality, the awareness also comes from movies, advertisements, media, and all these kind of platforms that are there. And for me, the awareness for a client comes from my job. It is my responsibility to educate the client, to educate them, to show them what is available and how they can keep themselves most secure. Everybody just thinks that the door is the only place that they have to secure in the house, but that's actually not true. From the time let's begin, एक घर लेते हैं तो there is a gate to your building जो secure होना चाहिए. गेट के अंदर आने पे आपका मेन डोर सिक्योर होना चाहिए. मेन डोर के वहां यू पुट अ सेफ्टी ग्रिल जो सिक्योर होना चाहिए. बाद में आता है आपका रूम का दरवाजा जो सिक्योर होना चाहिए. बाद में आता है आपका कबर्ड का लॉक जो सिक्योर होना चाहिए. और बाद में लास्टली द सेफ जो आप कबर्ड के अंदर रखते हो, जिसके अंदर आपका वैल्यूएबल्स है. There are so many steps of safety required in a home, and that the client constantly needs to be reminded and told and informed and educated that you have to look into all these things.
Yeah, so no, I get the point you're trying to make. That boss, it's not easy for someone who's making a home to think of all this. It needs to come from a professional.
Definitely.
मतलब वरना तो क्लाइंट एक महल हो सपनों का, हो गया एक महल हो सपनों, दरवाजा हो गया एक महल हो सपनों, गाता ही रहे ना. आपने मुझे क्या इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सनालिटी बोला है? हाँ तो लाओ 2 रुपए. अच्छा, मुझे ना आपने वो वॉचमैन वाली बात बोली ना, दैट वी स्टिल डिपेंड ऑन द बॉस. वॉचमैन आएगा, वो जागते रहो करके डंडा बजाएगा और अपन आराम से सोएंगे. आई हैव डन अ फिल्म कॉल्ड हल्ला, ठीक है, जिसमें द प्रोटैगनिस्ट एक्चुअली हैज अ फाइट विद हिज होल बिल्डिंग कमिटी because he can't sleep at night because the watchman keeps blowing a whistle because the society secretary has told him कि whistle बजाते रहने का. तो ये बोल रहा है कि यार मैं सुरक्षित रहूं या रात को सोऊं. The point is घर को सुरक्षित रखना मतलब.
और वो कोइंसिडेंस तो होना ही है. जो दिन चोर घर के अंदर आया है तभी वॉचमैन को सोना ही है. वो बोलेगा मैडम मैं सो रहा था, मैडम मैं बाथरूम गया था, तो मतलब वो ही होना है. So that's why it's most important to not rely on all these kind of external forces, and to make yourself and your home more secure.
Boss, I'll tell you this. My family, a part of my family has a home in a part of Mumbai, जो मैं नाम जगह नहीं बताऊंगा कहाँ है exactly, but standalone home है, ठीक है. मुंबई में standalone home होना बहुत बड़ी बात है. तो अब गेट है, दरवाजा है और अंदर घर है भाई. बट बॉस उस एरिया में एट वन पॉइंट मुंबई के बाहर से गैंग आई थी जो कंप्लीटली बॉडी पे ऑयल लगा के दे वर गेटिंग इनटू फ्लैट्स एंड अपार्टमेंट्स एंड स्टैंड अलोन होम्स और सब साफ करके चले जाते थे. किस्मत से इस घर में 2 कुत्ते थे जिनकी वजह से कुछ चोरी नहीं हुआ. बट उसके बाद पुलिस ने नसीहत दी कि आप प्लीज अपने घर को सुरक्षित करिए, तो कैमरे वैमरे लगवाए गए और लॉक्स की सिक्योरिटी बढ़ाई गई.
सीसीटीवी नहीं पकड़ेगा तो नहीं पकड़ेगा, लेकिन बाजू वाला जागता हुआ पड़ोसी तो डेफिनेटली पकड़ लेगा.
एब्सोल्युटली. तो सवाल अब ये बनता है, आपने कहा कि क्लाइंट्स नीड टू बी एजुकेटेड फ्रॉम योर साइड अबाउट द सेफ्टी ऑफ देयर होम्स. सो जब आप एक घर डिजाइन करती हैं, या एक स्टैंडअलोन होम हो या अपार्टमेंट हो, do your clients normally take home security as a consideration? Is it top of mind?
It definitely isn't the top of the mind, but it is definitely one of the very big points that they consider, depending on where their home is. When we are doing standalone homes, then it's a very, very big kind of priority, because say you have outstation homes, तो वो थोड़ा थोड़ा deserted होता है, वहाँ बहुत सारे लोग आसपास नहीं होते हैं. You yourself might not be living there. You treat it as a second home. तो आप सिर्फ weekends को वहाँ जाते हो. तो बाकी के 5 दिन who is taking care of it? And also it's impossible to have a caretaker all the time because it's expensive. So on, and then that is when it's most important that you resort to using good safety and security systems, be it a CCTV camera or a good kind of digital lock system, which has, which can only work with your fingerprint, or you use a digital lock, which, you access with numbers that only you know. So this is when it, comes of like great importance, clients who stay on the ground floor, intrusion is very easy. Yeah. So for those kind of people, it becomes extremely easy, For somebody who's staying in the middle of like a 50-story building, probably the door is the only place where somebody can enter from. Right. But somebody who's staying on the top floor, thieves today are so creative, they'll also jump from the top floor and climb onto your balcony. So all these kind of things are very important. Yeah. But a lot of times they don't know, because they are very used to the traditional locking systems, wo padlock lagao or tala lagao or right. So I think, it also comes with knowing what's available in the market.
No, so I think then you've actually answered the question I was going to ask you next. What are the provisions that should be made at the design stage? But आपने mostly तो बता ही दिया है ना?
Yeah.
तो मुझे एक बात बताइए, इससे अगेन थोड़ा सा ऑफ सिलेबस जाते हैं. ठीक है, आपने स्टैंड अलोन होम्स या 50 स्टोरी बिल्डिंग की बात कर ली, लेकिन मुंबई जैसे शहर में, यू आर फ्रॉम मुंबई, राइट?
वेरी मच.
विच पार्ट ऑफ मुंबई?
जुहू.
ओके. सो अरे माय पेरेंट्स आल्सो इन जुहू, बट इन एनी केस, सो मुंबई जैसे शहर में ना हम लोग को एक ग्रिल्स का फीटिश है. मुझे ग्रिल दो, मुझे ताला मत दो, मुझे ग्रिल दो. ऐसा क्यों है कि एक बार ग्रिल्स डोंट ऐड टू द ब्यूटी ऑफ योर होम यार, अनलेस
not at all.
इतना क्या ग्रिल्स रियली प्रोटेक्ट अपार्टमेंट्स?
So again, like I said, it really depends आप कौन से माले पे रह रहे हो. If you're on the ground floor, I think it is you should have it. Other than grills, if you don't want to obstruct the view, you can go for a burglar alarm system, or you can go for sensor lights कि कोई ऐसे ही चल के बाहर आ गया तो लाइट चालू होती है, आप उठ जाते हो उससे, अलार्म बजता है, आप उठ जाते हो उससे. But if you're living somewhere in the middle of like like I said, a 50-story building, you definitely, a grill is not going to do anything. It's absolutely not required. It takes away from the beautiful view that you're going to otherwise have, and the khuli hawa which you need.
Oh, I'm completely agreeable to that. Very bad one. Minus marks. Acha, where have you studied, Anishita?
So I've studied from Kamla Raheja College of Architecture in Juhu itself.
Okay, so that, which is right behind my parents' house.
Perfect.
Tell me, how extensively is home safety covered in design schools as a subject?
Okay.
Interesting. I would like to know. Really.
Very interesting. But I don't know, fortunately or unfortunately, it's not really taught as a separate subject, but we speak very highly of kisi ka privacy or building spaces that are free of intrusions. Because at the end of it, security is important. Even it's important to put this into people from the beginning itself, that they have to think about it at the back of their mind. The client decides to do it or not do it is a different thing. But you have to, as an expert, recommend it. So I teach in the same college as well, and we do at all levels, inculcate in the students ke, aapko security ka sochna padega. You'll have to think of how is someone's house still going to be private. But I also feel safety education begins a lot from home as well, and not from school. I mean, most of our habits of safety comes from watching our family and parents, and और उन्होंने इन्हें इतने सालों में क्या किया है. So it also comes from a lot, like with the point of observation.
So the sense I'm getting from what you're saying, Nishita, is that security. देखिए, जब हम घर के security की सोचते हैं, तो normally अपने को बड़े padlocks या ugly से कैमरे या वो बड़ी वाली sensor lights type. But the sense I'm getting is that home security is now an integral part of the design element. It fits in seamlessly.
That's true.
So do you believe that the design elements that you utilize as a home design professional to say enhance the security of a client's home can look aesthetic? Do you think home securities can be aesthetic?
No, so definitely, I think there are some incredible, products in the market, especially with the Godrej ones, which I've used very extensively as well. And often clients come with a mind block. Security systems are very elaborate, very expensive, very cumbersome. So let's not do it. But that is not the case. It's a necessity. It's as good as having a safe in the house. To protect a safe, you need a lock. So I've used the Godrej Advantage Rintronic very often, and it's super slim, it's super sleek, very secure, has multiple points of locking system. It works with a keypad and a fingerprint reader. So that means only the people who are using the house, or only the people you have given access to, can access and get into your house, which is great.
मम्मी खरीद लो, मम्मी सुन रहे हो क्या? अच्छा, अब ना एक हल्का सा इंटेंस स्पेस में जाते हैं. देखिए, हमें मतलब एक अलग लेवल के पूरे दौर से गुजरे, अलग लेवल के साल से गुजरे. मतलब कैंसिल करो 2020, नहीं ये साल. सुनो, अब एक आशंका है और मुंबई पुलिस भी ये कह रही है कि पॉसिबल बहुत सारे लोगों की रेगुलर आमदनी गायब है इस वक्त.
करेक्ट.
जेबें खाली है ना, परिवार तो है ही. तो ऐसे में द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ अ स्पाइक इन क्राइम और होम ब्रेक-इन्स इन द नियर फ्यूचर इज डिस्टिंक्ट. है ये पॉसिबिलिटी और पुलिस भी ये कह रही है. अब ऐसी परिस्थिति में व्हाट वुड बी योर मैसेज टू द डिजाइन कम्युनिटी हु आर वर्किंग और डिजाइनिंग होम्स राइट नाउ? नियर फ्यूचर की न्यू नॉर्मल. सो ओके, मे बी आई हेट दिस वर्ड न्यू नॉर्मल, बट इतना ओवर यूज्ड वर्ड है यार. बट चलिए, फॉर द पर्पसेस ऑफ दिस चैट, what do you see? Okay, I'll ask it differently. First, tell me your message.
Okay. So definitely what you're speaking about is a very serious problem, and a rather like a foreseen one, especially with the rise of unemployment and improper facilities for the needy. These things are going to happen. They're bound to happen. Kaise aadmi pet bharega uska? I mean, it's not coming from the want to commit a crime. It's coming from the, circumstances around him. So the first message to the design community is more on a humanitarian level, is that to go out there and help the ones in need. If you can't provide a job, provide food and shelter, because these are the two primary reasons why people commit thefts. And at a more professional level, you start with educating your client on the importance of using these correct security systems and what brand to use. It is really important they develop a level of trust with the brand that they are going for. It's like how you said with Godrej, I think 30-25 साल से एक ही cupboard we are seeing there because they are so happy with it. कोई तोड़ ही नहीं पाता है उसको. So the same thing happens with the lock system as well. It is that reliable. So I think it's important for them to trust the brand, as well. So the good thing about the Godrej one, it's made for the common man, and it's easy to use. It's not a hi-fi, system which you need, a degree for. So anybody and everybody can use it, and I think that's the more important thing to keep in mind.
अरे बॉस, मैं बेटा होते हुए मम्मी का कबर्ड नहीं खोल पाया आज तक. क्या बात करती हो आप यार. और कमाल की बात ये है, इतने अरसों से घर पे है, कोई रस्टिंग नहीं, सख्त से ऐसे खुल जाता है जैसे कल खरीदा हो. एक डेंट नहीं है. बॉस, इट्स मूव्ड अक्रॉस द सिटी. इट्स अनबिलीवेबल.
I know, right?
Absolutely. So I asked you,
the level of trust, very, very important with the brand.
Absolutely. Okay. You told us what your message to the design community would be, and really hats off. I think it's wonderful. तो इतना inspiring था जो आपने कहा कि मैं उस पे से एक follow up सवाल पूछने वाला था, वो मैं भूल गया रे. सच्ची मेरे को लग रहा है दिमाग की पहले मेरे को सिक्योरिटी करवा लेनी चाहिए. सवाल लॉक करो. हाँ. But anyway, वो अब irrelevant हो गया. Now, look, there has been a report, a research report that has come out, Godrej Locks का, ठीक है, जिसके मुताबिक independent homes and private apartments are more prone to break-ins. How can the design elements of these spaces be improved?
Okay, so we covered a lot of the points earlier, when it comes to securing a home, But I think there's also some don'ts that are, to be discussed, because the do's are very easy. You put a CCTV camera, you do this and you do that, and you put a grill, and all that is there. But like, if I had to like really sum up on how to break your conventional notion of security systems, we'll start with like quick, my 4 tips to the listeners, on how you can be safe in your home and how you can safeguard your space, be it a villa or a apartment that you have. One, like I said, the most important one is to invest in a very, very good quality, trustable locking system for all your openings. Your openings beginning from the door to the window to, the bathroom window if you have to, your cupboard. It has to be user friendly, easy to, secure, and of course from a very reputed brand and a trustable brand. Like the second one would be is chuck the padlock. I think I am done with the, the padlock system, which is something needs to die out. How many times, have we shut the main door to realize, अरे चाबी तो मैं अंदर भूल गई, and और अंधेरे में पर्स खोले हुए हम लोग डिग कर रहे हैं अंदर की चाबी किधर गई, so it's time you just chuck that padlock and go for and also it's very easy to duplicate the key. We've all done that, जब भी चाबी घूम जाती है हम लोग duplicate कर देते हैं चाबी को. So just get rid of those kind of systems, And the third one is to invest in very good technology for your house. It is one of the most sensible investments to make when it comes to the safety of your house. From CCTVs to burglar alarms to fingerprint locks, especially if you live in remote areas. And like I said, if you're living in Bombay, तो आपके पड़ोसी भी पकड़ लेंगे कोई चोर को. And number 4 is, which I think is something one should be really concerned about, is stop posting all over your social media that you're traveling and your house is empty. This is very true, and it is a big problem right now. It's a very serious one, I think, where there are people out there stalking you constantly and know about your whereabouts. So the minute they come to know that you aren't at home, that is the moment that they will, come to intrude into your space. To be really careful about your virtual footprint.
मतलब ऐसी गैंग का नाम क्या होगा? इंस्टा गैंग.
Insta gang.
अलग लेवल के इन्फ्लुएंसर्स.
I know.
है ना? अच्छा, anything else you would like to add, Nishita?
No, I think I'm really glad that we did this session, because this is something people should be concerned about right now. Because very frankly, I mean, even as a place in Juhu, we over the last 6 months, we've constantly had so many thefts happening. And it's so rampant right now that one needs to be really careful at all levels. पता ही नहीं चलता है कभी कौन घुस जाता है, and all of those kind of things. So I think one needs to be really careful, but well, not just secure from the thefts, but also from the virus.
Of course, but मेरा एक आखिरी सवाल है होम सिक्योरिटी को लेके. अगर आप जवाब ना दे पाई तो कोई बात नहीं, फिर मिलेंगे तो जिंदगी रही. तो सुनो, मैंने ना बेडरूम के एसी के ऊपर छज्जा बनवा लिया है, फिर भी कबूतर हर आधे घंटे में आके गूं 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 करते ही रहता है. अपने एसी को सिक्योर कैसे रखूं रे कबूतरों से?
आप वो गाना नहीं सुना है, कबूतर जा जा जा? वही गा लो ना
बस
विंडो पे बैठ के.
मैंने इसीलिए मैंने आज आपसे बात की है फेसबुक पर. यही सुनना चाह रहा था. मुझे नहीं साल बस मेरे पास गलती हो गई भाई साहब. Thank you so much, Nishita. It was lovely.
Thank you so much, Rajesh. Really lovely talking to you.
Stay safe and a happy Diwali to you now.
You too. Happy Diwali. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. See you.